Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Knowledge Asset. Hope you all are doing good. So, coming to the session, this is particularly taken under demand of our subscriber. So, మన సబ్స్క్రైబర్లో కొంతమంది నన్ను అడిగారండి మ్యాథ్స్ డిప్లొమా మ్యాథ్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ టాపిక్ కొంచెం ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయండి అని. సో నేను డిప్లొమా మ్యాథ్స్ ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్ నుంచి మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అనే టాపిక్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను. వై మ్యాట్రిక్స్ ఫస్ట్? మ్యాట్రిక్స్ అనేది చాలా వాస్ట్ సిలబస్. ఎంత వాస్ట్ సిలబస్ అయినా ఇది చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. సో మ్యాక్సిమం మార్క్స్ అనేవి మనం ఎగ్జామ్ నుంచి ఈజీగా స్కోర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే మనం మ్యాట్రిక్స్ గురించి ఫస్ట్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్? మ్యాట్రిక్స్ డెఫినేషన్: matrix is an array of elements arranged in rows and columns. Okay, matrix is an array of elements arranged in rows and columns. Matrix, for example, array of elements. These elements might be real numbers or some suitable entries. So for example 1 2 3 8 2 6 0 3, like this. Array of elements arranged in rows and columns is known as matrix. Okay, now matrix is denoted by A, B, C, etc. like this. A matrix is denoted by letters A, B, C and etc. So in a matrix, m is considered as number of rows and small n is equal to number of columns. Okay, m is number of rows and n is number of columns in a matrix. What is this matrix called? Here m, how many m అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రోస్ అనేవి ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఈ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో మనం చూసుకుంటే 1 2 3. దెర్ ఆర్ 3 rows and n is equal to number of columns. How many columns? 1 2 and 3. 3 columns. Hence this matrix is said to be 3 by 3 matrix. Okay, this is called 3 by 3 matrix. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇంకొక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ చూద్దాం. Okay, let B is a matrix consisting of an array of elements F, G, K, M, N and R. This is a matrix and here M, number of rows. How many number of rows are there? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 number of rows and number of columns is equal to 1 and 2. So n is equal to 2. Number of rows is equal to 3. Number of columns is equal to 2. Hence this matrix is said to be 3 by 2 matrix. Okay, now we got a point, I think. So next మనం డెఫినేషన్ అండ్ ఎలా డినోట్ చేస్తామని చూసాం కదా. ఇప్పుడు టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో ఎన్ని టైప్స్ ఉంటాయి చూద్దాం. టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్లో మనం చూసుకుంటే 9 టైప్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాట్రిసెస్ ఉన్నాయండి. ఆ 9 టైప్స్ని ఇప్పుడు మనం 1 by 1 అవి ఎలా ఉంటాయి వాటి ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్తో మనం చూడడానికి ట్రై చేద్దాం. Let's see how many types of matrices are there. Type 1 is rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. The definition of rectangular matrix is a matrix in which the number of rows is not equal to number of columns. This is said to be rectangular matrix. Okay, for example, number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Now 2 3 1 1 1 1. So here how many number of rows are there? 1 and 2 is equal to 2. Number of columns 1 2 and 3. N is equal to 3. Therefore M is not equal to N. So this is known as rectangular matrix. Next, the second type of matrix is row matrix. A row matrix is a matrix having only one row is known as row matrix. Only one row మాత్రమే ఉంటుందండి ఈ matrix. So for example, let A matrix is equal to 1 2 3 4. Likewise, only there is a one row in this matrix, this is called row matrix. Third type of matrix is column matrix. As discussed before, a row matrix has only one row. Coming to the column matrix, a column matrix have only one column. Okay, only one column. It consists of only one column. For example, 1 2 3. Only one column. Okay, the fourth type is null matrix. What is a null matrix? If every element of a matrix is 0, then it is said to be null matrix. Every element అనేది 0 ఉండాలి. అప్పుడు that is called null matrix. 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is called null matrix. Next, coming to the fifth one, square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix which the number of rows is equal to number of columns. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Example for this matrix is 1 1 2 6. So M is equal to 2 and N is equal to 2 and 2 by 2 matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. So such type of matrix is called square matrix. Next, the sixth type of matrix is diagonal matrix. Okay, a square matrix in which all the elements except those in the principal diagonal zeros is called diagonal matrix. Okay, so for example, ఇక్కడ ప్రిన్సిపల్ డయాగ్నల్ అనగానే మనకి కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అయిపోతుంది. సో ప్రిన్సిపల్ డయాగ్నల్ ఏంటి అంటే, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇన్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. This is a square matrix as number of rows is equal to number of columns. So this is called the principal diagonal of the matrix. So what is a diagonal matrix? Except the principal diagonal, all the elements in the matrix should be 0. That means example of diagonal matrix is 2 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 1. This is called diagonal matrix. Now, the seventh type of matrix is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a matrix in which all the diagonal elements are equal and all other elements are zeros. Okay, let's see one example. A is a matrix in which the diagonal elements are equal and all other elements are zeros. Okay, the diagonal elements are equal and all the elements are zeros. This is somewhat similar to diagonal matrix, but in diagonal matrix, principal diagonal of the matrix must not be same. But here in scalar matrix, all the elements in the diagonal matrix must be equal. Okay. Next, eighth one is unit matrix. It is also called as identity matrix. Okay, unit matrix is also called as identity matrix. A unit matrix is a matrix in which the diagonal elements must be 1 and the remaining elements must be 0. This is called, or this is said to be, unit matrix. This is the eighth type. And the ninth and the last type of matrix is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. In triangular matrix, it is classified into two types: upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix is if all the elements below the principal diagonal is 0. Those are said to be upper triangular matrix. Okay, this is the principal diagonal, and where the elements below this principal diagonal must be 0, then it is said to be upper triangular matrix. And when the elements above the principal diagonal matrix is 0, then it is said to be lower triangular matrix. Here the elements above the principal diagonal of the matrix is 0, it is called lower triangular matrix, and when the elements below the principal diagonal of the matrix is 0, it is called upper triangular matrix. This is all about types of matrix. Okay, we are done with the types of matrix. Now let us know addition and subtraction in matrices. How to do addition and subtraction in matrix. So talking about addition and subtraction of the matrix, first let us see about addition of matrix. Both addition and subtraction is similar, but the concept first let us try to understand. So addition, if A and B are two matrices of the same order, 1, 2, 6, 4, and B is another matrix consisting 3, 1, 4, 6. Okay, two matrices A and B are two matrices of same order, then their sum A plus B is defined to be the matrix of the same order, obtaining by adding the corresponding elements of the two matrices. So A plus B, addition of the matrix will be, A plus B will be addition of the corresponding elements of matrix A and matrix B. So the first element of matrix A is 1 and B is 3. 3 plus 1 plus 3, 4, and 2 plus 1, 3. 6 plus 4, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. So what is the order of matrix A? 2 by 2. And here also 2 by 2. So here what is the order of A plus B matrix? This is also 2 by 2. So from the definition of addition of matrix, that is, if A and B are two matrices of same order, then the result A plus B is also the matrix with the same order. Okay, is it clear? Now subtraction is also done in the similar way. Let us do subtraction with the same example. So subtraction is also similar like addition. A minus B is 1 minus 3 minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1, 6 minus 4, 2, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Okay, subtraction is also in the similar way as addition. This is subtraction of A minus B. Here 2 by 2 matrix. A is a 2 by 2 matrix, B is a 2 by 2 matrix, and A minus B, the result is also in the same order as A and B matrices. Okay guys, now I hope you all understood the introduction of matrices and how to do addition and subtraction in matrices. In the coming up videos, let us discuss in detail about matrices. I hope you enjoyed a lot and learned something better of my lecture. Next, thank you for watching this video. If anyone not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. Keep supporting, keep encouraging. Thank you very much.